Hello dear students, in today's video we will be covering the 3-point to compare a program from class 7th English. So let's start. Meanings. Compare: a person who introduces the people and programs on stage during a function, a presenter. Compare: to act as a compare. Festive, joyous. Preoccupations: things or subjects that one thinks about most of the time. Dignitaries: important persons. Days: a low platform or stage. Symbolic: representing something. Atithi Devo Bhava: the guest is equivalent to God. Eminent, famous and respected. Prestigious, honored, well thought of, having a high status. Cherished, revered, admired. Convener: a person who assembles people and organizes a function. Beacon: an important and respected person who is a source of inspiration to others. A dynamic person: a person who is positive in attitude and full of energy and new ideas. A prize: give information about. To deliver a speech: to make a speech. Tal Kacheri: music concert. Rendition, performance. Mridangam, dholak, tabla, ghatam: musical instruments. To have butterflies in the stomach: to feel very nervous. Illustrious, respected and admired, well known. Insight: accurate and deep understanding. Margin questions. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Sub-question 1. Why does the compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phones? Answer. The compare requests the audience to switch off their mobile phones so that they can forget their busy thoughts and work for some time and enjoy the festive occasion. However, I think that this is only the compare's way of being polite. Actually, she wants the mobile phones to be switched off so that they do not disturb the program. Sub-question 2. Why does she request them to be seated? Answer. The dignitaries had arrived and were being escorted to the dais. The program would soon start, and hence she requests the audience to be seated. Sub-question 3. What do we learn about Shri Charudat Diwan from the compare's speech? Answer. From the compare's speech, we learn that Shri Charudat Diwan is an eminent personality in the field of art and culture. He is a renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and the proud recipient of many prestigious awards. He is also the president of Kala Ranjan Academy. Sub-question 4. Who does the compare thank? Answer. The compare thanks the principal. Sub-question 5. Who are they? Mr. Avdhut Pathak, Ms. Shubhada Murarka, Mr. Ajinkya Parkhe. Answer. Point 1. Mr. Avdhut Pathak, President of Balanand Academy. Point 2. Ms. Shubhada Murarka, School Captain and Cultural in Charge. Point 3. Dr. Ajinkya Parkhe, Principal of Balanand Academy. Sub-question 6. Describe the book that is released. Answer. The book comprises photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from the students of the school. Sub-question 7. Why does the compere thank the chief guest? Answer. The compere thanks the chief guest for releasing the special book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Sub-question 8. Who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? Answer. Sahil, Varsha, Vivek, Zubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Sub-question 9. Guess find the meaning of Tal Kacheri. Answer. Tal Kacheri means music concert. Sub-question 10. How is this vocal rendition different from music? Answer. This vocal rendition is different because Sahil was singing the piece and the same piece would be demonstrated on different instruments. Sub-question 11. Does the compere say the following at the beginning of the program or after it has ended? 1. What a wonderful presentation. Answer. After it has ended. 2. That was indeed a fantastic performance. Answer. After it has ended. Sub-question 12. What is meant by butterflies in your stomach? Answer. When you say that you have butterflies in your stomach, it means that you are very nervous. English workshop. Question 1. The items in the program below have got mixed up. Rearrange them in the proper order. Just add the number in the left-hand column. Answer. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Question 2. Choose the appropriate phrase to insert in the gaps to make the sentences meaningful. Use the appropriate form of the verb. A. Before we draw the curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. B. I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. C. After I took the medicine, I was relieved of the pain. D. Before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me apprise you all about it. E. The minister was escorted by his personal bodyguards. F. Sorrowful times are likened to darkness. Question 3. Prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. Answer. Prepare a news report in brief on this art festival. ANS, Pune, 17th July. The School Art Festival, organized by the Balanand Academy here, was a smashing hit, gathering appreciation from all sections of viewers. The 3-day art exhibition was flagged off last evening. The chief guest, Shri Charudat Diwan, an eminent painter and president of the Kala Ranjan Academy, released a special book of photographs. These were photographs of the unique pieces of art that were displayed in the exhibition. Immediately after this was the formal inauguration of the festival, followed by an entrancing cultural program. The Tal Kacheri, the Koli dance and the light comedy play kept the audience engrossed till the prize distribution ceremony. The chief guest's speech gave everyone wonderful insights into the various aspects of art and culture. After the vote of thanks, the audience dispersed to view the art exhibition.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.